U Noyalam UDP but u MLA ka Klirian, u Kyrmen Shila u Lapin Pau ka Jingshania, ba ka UDP kan job haki election banwan. U ong baka seng Lapin Kre Pura ban yakun, u Kyrmen Shila, u lo ong baka rai jung ki Paidbah kan long ka jing penshisha ka jingkiu ni jing hiar ka seng. U Kynthoh ki Paidbah Meghalaya, ban ay kalat bat ya ka jingbon Paidbah siya ka UDP, knang bakan la ban train na ka benta u Paidbah. Uong ru ba ki jinge kendu jing kilong ki binta ki jinge le politics hinrei ka binta ba kongsan kalong man bin kre bha Kyrmen Shila uloong balada ki Paidbah kin ai ka la ka UDP banyalam ya ka sarkar ka sengkat bin ki kam.
Yes, we, not only we, all the party will say in this, and for us, we will only know whether we are growing or we are sinking is the result after the election. But as of now, based on our whatever we prepared, we believe that we should grow. So that is our expectation. But as I've said, the result will tell everything. So we are on the process, preparing ourselves, and we are ready to fight. And I believe that UDP will come with a flying color. And for this, we need the people to understand also that most of the time they expect UDP to perform, but for performing we need a number. So we required and we request the people of Meghalaya to kindly give us the number required so that we can lead, and then at the same time we can perform ourselves. After that, if we cannot perform, then they can start blaming us. We will accept it happily, but without giving us the power to prove ourselves, then blame, it doesn't work here. So it should being threatened or threatened by anyone, once you enter the politics, and all the party they have their own strategy, we should not take it lightly. Whether it's a threat or not, we will not know it exactly, but it's just that our duty is to prepare ourselves, and then in preparing ourselves, it might be a threat to others also. So there's no harm in that, but we know only one thing: we prepare and come back with flying color. So that's all we know. But for others, how much they prepare themselves, or whether there'll be a threat for them, we being prepared, so that I really don't know exactly, but it's just that this is politics. It should be we should fight clean politics, and then prove ourselves that what we have invested, we deserve it. We expect that people will give us a chance, if not today, maybe tomorrow, but we do not lose hope in our people. But one day we believe that they'll realize it, and they'll give UDP to lead the government. And UDP leading the government, we will try to prove ourselves the best we can.